The Radon Sentry is a wireless, multifamily monitoring system, patented and FCC approved. The Radon Sentry constantly monitors the vacuum status of radon remediation systems up to 255 units on one scanner. It sends an audible alert to the scanner when the Radon Sentry senses vacuum loss or system failure. This is a great add-on for any multifamily dwelling. Townhomes, condos, barracks, apartments, dormitories, commercial properties, etc. Get exactly the number of units you need. The kit provides one scanner, one control unit, one manometer and sensor, and carries a 1-year limited warranty. Simply buy the additional number of add-on manometer sensor kits that you need, one for each additional unit. Each unit can be numbered and recognized by the scanner. The scanner may be monitored 2 different ways. The scanner may be managed on-site by a maintenance person who would then receive the audible and visual failure alarm and reach out to the mitigator for evaluation. Or the radon mitigator may offer monthly, quarterly, or annual management and monitor the site himself or herself with the scanner, which may be operated easily from his or her vehicle. With mitigator site monitoring, this could feasibly provide added revenue for that service. Mitigators could charge a monthly, quarterly, or annual fee and provide an update or report to the homeowners association or maintenance person, for example. Site monitoring is becoming the new norm and is expected to be installed on each new active radon system, per new ANSI and ARS standards. The scanner may be set up with the AC power cord on site, or used in the car with a charger. The scanner will operate up to at least 1,000 feet away from the units. Bring peace of mind to your homeowners association group, maintenance individual, and residents by offering the easy-to-use Radon Sentry wireless monitoring system. Rest easy and let the Radon Sentry watch over your community's radon system operations.
Hello, my name is Joe Ganguzza. I'm the owner of Safe Air Systems of Radon Mitigation in New Jersey. And today I'm here to talk to you about the multifamily wireless radon monitoring system called the Radon Sentry. It was designed and is sold by Radon Supplies in Flemington, New Jersey. Like most monitoring systems out on the market, it senses vacuum loss or fan failure, but it's unique in a way that it can detect that failure from up to over 1,000 feet away. The system comes with a handheld scanner that will pick up the fan failure. It's a great product to use in large complexes where there's multiple systems, or for property management companies to use. It also can be used on vapor intrusion systems as well. In a bit, I'm going to show you how to install this product. When you purchase the system from Radon Supply, it comes with a manometer sensor. Also comes with a control module that connects to the sensor. And the initial package comes with what they call the scanner module. This will pick up the fan failure from a long distance away, up to 1,000 feet. All right, so we're going to show you how to install this Sentry system. It's very simple. You have your manometer like you would normally put on a system, but it also has the sensor to check for a failure loss. Basically, the sensor is kind of like a garage door opener where you have the 2 sensor eyes on the bottom. It senses the fluid loss and will trip a fault on the monitoring system and let you know there's a failure vacuum. So to install, it's very simple. You're just going to mount it to the pipe using the 2 screws that are given to you in the package. I pre-drilled my holes just to make this easier. You're just going to hold it against the pipe, screw your first screw in until it's snug. The manometer is going to sit off the pipe a little bit because of the sensor, but that's okay. It's still sturdy enough to hold on. You just don't want to over tighten it and crack the manometer casing. All right, that's very simple. Next, you're going to take the phone cord that's supplied with the monitor system. It's a 10-foot cord. And you're going to connect this to the monitor on the YouTube. Just a phone cord, clicks right in here on the bottom. And then you're going to take the other lead and connect it to the homeowner monitor system itself. Now this would be mounted on the wall, somewhere where it's visible. It does have power lights that show that it's on, and it also gives you a vacuum loss light, which would be red. It does not give you a tone. The tone would go to the transmitter itself. You plug that in. Next, you're going to take your tube for the manometer, and this is very important. You want to insert this on the manometer side opposite the sensor, because what's going to happen is this is going to sense, this eye senses the fluid, the dye in the manometer itself, and that will shut off the sensor off of fan loss. You put that in here. You're going to drill your hole in the pipe right here. Make sure you use a 1/8 bit. Like that. And you want this hole lower than the top manometer so you don't get condensation coming down and filling the manometer with liquid or water. Next, you're going to turn on your fan. Always make sure you turn the power off when you put the system in. So now you see you got your vacuum going on there. We're pulling a little bit over 1 inch of vacuum on the manometer. Now what I usually do before I set anything up, I take this tube back out. I make sure this is zeroed out here. I'm sliding this up and down. Reinsert that. Now you know you have your vacuum here. We're a little bit of 1.5. Next, you want to turn on your monitoring unit, the homeowner monitoring unit here. It's going to power up. And right now we're showing a loss of vacuum. All right, and there we go, just sensing the loss, so now we're okay. Vacuum loss, there is no more. The monitor's working good. Okay, now the sensor can be adjusted depending on the vacuum pressure. It comes set from the factory at 0.5 inches of water column. So if your vacuum is any higher than that, you're going to have to adjust the sensor. It comes with an Allen key. Very simple, you just loosen it up here. And this will slide up and down on the manometer tube so you can adjust that pressure. Again, the vacuum loss will be sensing any kind of liquid in the tube itself. So you're going to adjust this to right above where the dye stops so you're not sensing liquid. And if there's a fan failure, the liquid comes back up, trips the circuit, and you'll get a vacuum loss. It takes a few seconds for it to read it, but that should turn red any second. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're going to put this back in, and now we're going to show you how to work the actual handheld transmitter. The unit on the right is a handheld scanner. That will scan for vacuum loss or fan failure over 1,000 feet away. You can also hook up to 255 fans on that scanner alone. The unit on the left is the manometer sensor module that picks up the vacuum loss and sends a signal to the scanner. That can be located either near the fan, basement, or it really should be located near the living space. One thing to note when installing the manometer sensor, if you install it in areas where there are high winds, you would need to adjust that to make that less sensitive to the Venturi effects caused by high winds on the outside radon pipe. All right, so what you just witnessed there is a vacuum loss alarm. We mimic the loss of vacuum on the fan to trip the sensor. As you know, we can reset that alarm so it stops beeping. To connect multiple fans to the handheld scanner, the sensor module comes with numbered switches on the side. You would set each switch to number each fan. Each switch adds up the total sum of the number of the fan. For example, if you turn on switch 4 and you turn on switch 8, you would have fan number 12. The instructions that come with the scanner and module will show you how to set those switches. The Radon Sentry monitoring system by Radon Supplies is easy to install and maintain. It can be used by mitigators to set up monthly or quarterly inspection contracts or sold to the property management companies to help them quickly identify a failed fan. There's also a homeowner's version available as well. The Radon Sentry system meets ANSI and ARS radon code monitoring requirements. Most states are enforcing this requirement on their inspections. And it's also an affordable way for mitigators to monitor multiple systems at one time. If you have any questions about this product, please reach out to Jan Fisher at Radon Supplies or check out their website at radonsupplies.com.
Do I need a scanner for each fan? No. One scanner can monitor up to 255 fans. Can this system be installed outdoors? No. This is for indoor use only. Do I have to be close to the monitors to pick up the information with the scanner? No. The scanner can read the monitor's results from up to 1,000 feet away. What is one of the biggest advantages in choosing the wireless Radon Sentry? As a mitigator, you can easily and affordably monitor a large volume of units to determine if they are working or non-working. You get just the information that you need. Are the systems working or not? No extra costly metrics. You are meeting code and the need of the multifamily dwelling site. How can using the Radon Sentry help a client save money and their mitigator save time? When the maintenance person who is monitoring the system gets audible and visual notifications that there are vacuum failures, he or she can reach out to the radon mitigator. If the radon mitigator is monitoring the site independently, he or she can reach out to the maintenance person to schedule a visit. The mitigator can quickly identify the units that need to be evaluated by simply referring to the scanner, as a digital number will pop up for each non-working unit, each unit that has lost vacuum pressure. The mitigator can potentially combine these unit checks into one visit, thereby saving time for both the multifamily client and him or herself. How many fans can I monitor with the Radon Sentry? You can monitor from 1 to 255 fans. Thanks so much for joining us today to learn more about the Radon Sentry. If you have any questions, please chat them to us at this time, and we will respond or visit our Radon Supplies booth and learn how the Radon Sentry can help monitor your vapor intrusion or radon mitigation systems in multifamily dwellings.